In this video, I will show you 7 hidden focus killers that you do or use every day without even noticing. You won't believe how sneaky number 6 is. So if you want your focus back, stay until the end because I will also tell you how to stop each one of them. Hidden focus killer number 1, unfinished important conversations. Nothing is worse than trying to focus on an important task when your mind is somewhere else because you didn't finish an emotional talk with your partner. Hidden focus killer number 2, your phone is always within reach. It is in your pocket, on your desk, screen facing up all the time. It makes it too easy to grab it for every notification or impulse. Hidden focus killer number 3, lock screen notifications. These are the worst notifications of all. The lock screen notifications force you to react instead of letting you choose when you check them. Hidden focus killer number 4, too many apps on your phone. Once you unlock your phone, there are too many temptations, so you are much more likely to fall into endless scrolling. Hidden focus killer number 5, eating heavy meals in the morning or lunch. This will cause an energy crash in the middle of the day because of insulin, and it will seriously hurt your concentration. Hidden focus killer number 6, listening to music all the time. While working, walking, training, talking to people, having music in the background all the time strengthens distraction because your brain gets constantly 2 inputs at once. The music plus what you're doing. No wonder it becomes hard to focus on one single task after you cut the noise. Hidden focus killer number 7, only consuming short form content. Shorts, Reels, and TikTok are the worst formats for your focus because they train you to jump from one video or topic to another without having the time to process the information. So now you should understand something important. Your lack of focus has nothing to do with ADHD, like the modern world wants you to believe. It's mostly small unhealthy habits that distract you every day without you realizing it. So if you want to get back your focus, your presence, and your productivity, start right now with this. Always finish important conversations that give you trouble before you start working. Put your phone out of reach as often as possible to create friction and stop compulsive checking. Turn the fuck off lock screen notifications and keep only badges notifications so you choose when you check, not when others want you to check. Clean your apps, delete the ones you don't use or rarely use, and create category widgets to reduce the catalog effect that pulls you into doom scrolling. Avoid at all costs heavy meals in the morning and at lunch to prevent energy crashes. Choose protein and whole carbs with fiber instead. It will provide you the right amount of energy for the whole day without the up and down effect of white sugar. Listen to music at chosen moments instead of making it a constant background noise. It affects your focus more than you think, and you will enjoy much more your music when you really take time for it instead of making it a simple commodity. And finally, consume more long-form content like what you are watching right now. It will train your brain to take time to process the information and remember it for later. You will still get entertained, but with the quick win to learn something and improve your focus. Thanks YouTube. By the way, if you enjoyed this video and this format, tell me in the comments which hidden focus killer you're going to suppress, and subscribe my channel because I post daily videos so we can master our lives together.